So we're in the Glasgow Precision Oncology Laboratory, or GPOL for short, and that's University of Glasgow Sequencing and Bioinformatics Facility. In August 2016, we started moving towards using the laboratory to support clinical trials work in cancer.
So the Glasgow Precision Oncology Laboratory was established really to transform the way we develop new treatments for cancer, particularly those cancers with high unmet needs, simply because it's challenging to develop new treatments for less common cancers, number one, and number two, we need to adopt a new precision medicine paradigm. And in order for us to do that, we need to build engines that allow us to do that. And so we built GPOL to specifically focus on that.
So what we've really been focusing on over the last 2 years is taking knowledge from more than a decade of looking at cancer genomic profiles and understanding the changes that drive cancer development. And we've distilled those down into a single comprehensive assay that reports on all of those elements in a single test. We receive cancer DNA, check it into our freezers here, and then batch it up for processing. The first thing that we have to do is break the DNA in those samples down into very small pieces. So we have a sonicator that uses sound waves to break the DNA, and once that's finished, it goes onto the robot. That robot enriches the DNA from each cancer sample down to just the regions of the genome that are potentially relevant to that patient's disease. Once we have enriched and extracted those regions of particular interest, then we sequence them.
We now know that tumours and cancers change over time and change with treatment. So we need to understand that so we can pick the right treatment for the right patient at the right time. We also know that many treatments also don't work in the majority of patients, and we don't want to give the treatment if it's not going to work.
By making it easier to incorporate DNA testing into clinical trials, we can increase the number of trials that look at precision medicine approaches to cancer and really focusing treatments to the patients who are going to benefit the most from them.